I have a box of TestClear powdered urine here. It's a premium synthetic urine product that's been trusted for years and is available for $70. It's not the cheapest option, but it's proven effective through countless successful tests. Let's open it up. So, what's inside? You get a cylindrical vial for mixing the urine, a vial containing powdered urine, a heat pack, a temperature strip, and detailed instructions. The urine quality is excellent. It's designed to pass not only drug tests but also urine validity checks, as confirmed by thousands of satisfied customers. The urine vial contains enough powder to create up to 2.5 ounces of urine, which is more than sufficient for any drug screening. The mixing vial is marked with volume indicators, making it easy to measure the correct amount of water for mixing. Its cylindrical shape is compact and easy to conceal in pants, though it can be slightly inconvenient if using a leg belt. Now let's talk about the temperature strip. It's a separate piece that you need to attach to the vial yourself. I tested it with a digital thermometer, and it's accurate and reliable. The heat pack is a high-quality toe warmer with an average temperature of 97 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't overheat the urine or cause burns if placed close to the skin, but I still recommend keeping it at a safe distance. While it's rated to maintain heat for up to 8 hours, I would realistically count on about 6 hours just to be safe. It takes around 30 minutes for the heat pack to warm the urine. If you need to speed up the process, you can use warm water for mixing the urine. If you're interested in buying this kit, check the link in the description. Now, let's walk through how to use this kit. To create the mixture, use clean bottled water. Tap water may contain additional elements that could interfere with the results. If you want to warm the urine faster, slightly preheat the water before mixing. Open the vial, pour in the urine powder, and add at least 1.5 ounces of water. The vial has enough space to hold up to 1.7 ounces. Secure the cap tightly and shake the vial gently to ensure the powder dissolves completely. Peel the protective layer from the temperature strip and attach it to the vial. Activate the heat pack by opening and shaking it, then attach the adhesive side to the vial. Be sure it doesn't come into contact with the temperature strip. Conceal the vial and proceed to the testing location. In the testing room, unscrew the cap and pour the urine into the testing cup. Secure the cap back on, conceal the vial, and you're done. To get this kit, follow the link in the description.